有多倫多市議員動議將東區一條小路以多倫多教育局首位亞裔女副校長馬羅劉仙命名，以紀念佢嘅貢獻。
被尊稱為馬校長嘅 Valerie Ma 馬羅劉仙喺2021年逝世，享壽83歲。佢喺教育界服務多年，係多倫多教育局第一位亞裔女副校長。佢亦都曾經喺多倫多東區華商會參與領導工作，並推動喺東區設立多倫多第一個中華門，又曾經舉辦活動為兒童嘅膳食籌款。市議員 Paula Fletcher 日前發起聯署，推動將馬羅劉仙任教多年嘅 Bruce Public School 附近一條巷徑以馬羅劉仙命名，至今已經獲得200幾個簽名。
Because Valerie was so well loved in the community, and I'm so sorry that she died during COVID because we couldn't actually have a ceremony. I did speak at her funeral, which was on Zoom rather than in person because we really wanted to be there in person. Her laneway naming, when it happens, everybody can gather in person to celebrate her beautiful life near the school.That she loves so much, the students she loves so much.
華裔歷史學者陳林瑞玲就話：自己自細就認識馬羅劉仙，又話馬羅劉仙亦都曾經訪問1930年代中喺華埠生活嘅華人，並撰寫2篇文章，為華埠歷史作出非常重要嘅記錄。陳林瑞玲又話：據佢所知，多倫多亦都有多個以華人領袖命名嘅街道。能夠藉此令市民記得前人嘅貢獻。
So many stories have not been told, or many people haven't heard the story, and so it's so important to have something that's a permanent fixture, to have a lane or a street named after Valerie Ma, to remember her contribution. I know how important this is because there is a lane named after my mother, Jean Lum Lane in Chinatown on Dundas and Spadina area. So I know that when people are walking by and they say, well, who's Jean Lum? So this will happen also for Valerie Ma.
多倫多市議員 Paula Fletcher 話：今日提出改名建議之後，會有1個月嘅時間作通知，預計7月會喺市議會多倫多及東約克社區議會上討論。Omni News 記者烏永橋報導。